Today now I discuss balloon concept. Here this is the balloon and some air filled in the balloon. This balloon fluid float in the atmosphere. Okay? Here, look here Nana. This is the balloon. This balloon float on the air. Okay? This is the weight always vertically downwards. Because of floating on air act some upward force. This upward force is called as force of buoyancy. Once again, it here FB is called force of buoyancy. In the situation balloon moving downward with acceleration A. Once again, I repeat the question. This is the balloon. Weight always vertically downwards. Because of air acts on the balloon, upward force acting on the balloon is force of buoyancy. In the situation, according to question, balloon moving downward with acceleration A. In the situation, balloon moving downward, simply downward force is more compared to upward force. Here, how many forces are there? Two forces. One is weight, another one is force of buoyancy. In the situation, net force write as, net always write as larger first right and right smaller. Here both are in opposite direction, so that's why right minus larger minus smaller. Newton second law, F equal to ma. Here ma equal to mg minus fb, equation number 1. In the balloon some mass is removed. Look here. In the balloon, some mass is removed. A new mass is m dash g. Okay. In the situation, force of buoyancy always act upward. Okay. Here none. Some mass is removed. New mass of the balloon is m dash. In the situation, balloon moving upward with acceleration A. Here balloon moving upward force is more. Simply FB greater than m dash g. In the situation, net force always write as larger force and right smaller force. Both are opposite direction, that's why right minus. Newton's second law, F equal to ma. New mass m dash, new acceleration a dash equal to fb minus m dash g, equation number 2. Okay. Here equation 1 and equation 2 both are added. Okay. Equation 1, equation 2 both are added. First left side add ma plus m dash a dash. Right side add minus fb plus fb cancel. Finally we get mg minus m dash g. Here m dash lanni one side. Okay, m lanni one side. Here m dash a dash plus m dash g. Okay. In the situation, minus other side plus other side minus mg minus ma. In the left side, which will be common, m dash. It write g plus a dash. Right side, which will be common, m. G minus A. Here, what is the M dash? M dash equal to M into G minus A by G plus A dash. Okay? This is the formula for new mass. And in the balloon, some mass is removed. Remaining mass is M dash. What is the formula for remaining mass? M dash equal to M into G minus A by G plus A dash. Here, what is the formula again? Here I write, what is the formula? M dash equal to M into G minus A whole by G plus A dash. In the situation, M dash is called remaining mass. This is called final mass of the balloon. Here, M is called initial mass, A is called initial acceleration. After removing the mass, A dash is the new acceleration of the balloon. Okay? This is remaining mass. Find removed mass. Removed mass means initial mass 16 kg. Now the mass is 10 kg. How much remove? 6. Simply write as 16 minus 10. Simply write as initial mass minus remaining mass. 16 minus 6. Sorry, 16 minus 10 equal to 6. 6 is called removed mass. Here I substitute M minus. What is the M dash formula? M into G minus A by G plus A dash. Okay? Here M is common in the right side. Here LCM is G plus A dash. Here write G plus A dash minus G plus A. G what? Cancel. What is the formula for removed mass? Look here. What is the formula for removed mass? Removed mass formula is, look here. M into A plus A dash whole by G plus A dash. This is the formula for removed mass. What is the remaining mass formula? M into G minus A by G plus A dash. What is the removed mass formula? M into A plus A dash by G plus A dash. In the situation, according to question, we use this formula or we use this formula. In the situation, M is called initial mass, A is called initial acceleration of the balloon, A dash is called acceleration of the balloon after removing some mass. Okay? These two formulas are very useful to solve the problems. Okay? Hold. Very important concept, Nana. Look here. This is the wall, Nana. Wall. In the situation, this is the water pipe, Nana. What is the use of water pipe? To supply the water. Water pipe used, Nana, to supply the water. Here, water moves a velocity v, Nana. This water hits a wall and rebound same speed, Nana. In this situation, find change in momentum. Change in momentum write as final momentum minus initial momentum. Here momentum is a vector, so that's why final momentum write as mass into final velocity v. What is the direction? Positive x-axis minus m. Initial velocity also v, but it moving negative x direction, right, minus I cap. Minus into minus plus, that's why mv I cap, mv I cap, 2 mv I cap. This is the formula for change in momentum. Once again I repeat, this is the formula for change in momentum. Change in momentum formula is 2mv I cap. Okay. In the situation, the question is force exerted by the water. Force exerted by water on the wall. This is the question. Once again I repeat, force exerted by the water on the wall. In the situation, look here now. Force exerted by the water on the wall is force according to Newton's second law, F equal to dP by dt. Already determine change in momentum. Change in momentum, right, 2mv in the situation by dt. Here mass write as volume of the water into density of the water. Here 2 into volume write as area of the pipe, cross sectional area of the pipe, and distance traveled by the water. Volume write as A into length, density పక్కనే ఉంది V. Here mass, volume into density. Here dt, distance traveled by the water per unit time is called velocity. Simply 2a v into v square rho. This is the formula for force exerted by the water on the wall in the situation. Here A indicate, capital A indicate area of the pipe, cross sectional area of the pipe. V indicate velocity of water. Rho indicate density of water. Density of water is fixed, that's value is 1000 in SI unit. Its value is 1 in Celsius unit. If this problem solve, what is the value of density of water? 1000. Density of water in Celsius 1. Okay, same question nana here. Here, look here nana, same question I repeated, look here. Here, water pipe pushes the water with a speed v. This will be hit by the wall and drops dead. Drops dead, what can seen? That means here water does not rebound. Simply rebound velocity becomes 0. Okay? In the situation, change in momentum write as final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum 0 because here water does not rebound, minus initial momentum means mass into mass into velocity. This is a negative x direction minus I cap. Finally change in momentum is mv I cap. In this situation, force exerted by the water on the wall is force formula dp by dt. Here dp write as, what is the dp? Mass into velocity by dt. Here mass write as volume into density. Volume write as cross sectional area of the pipe, distance traveled by the water, volume, density V. Here dt. Distance by time is called velocity. Finally, it write AV square. Okay. In the previous situation, water rebound with same speed. Force exerted by the water on the wall is 2AV square rho. In the present situation, water does not rebound. Force exerted by the water on the wall is F equal to AV square rho. Here, in the both situation, A indicate cross-sectional area of the pipe. V indicate speed of the water. Rho indicate density of water. Okay, this is the present situation. Next situation, Nana, look here. Next situation, look here, Nana. In the present situation, projectile is given, Nana. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Here, Nana, this is the body, Nana. Projected with a speed u. It makes an angle theta, Nana. It makes an angle theta. Here body projected with a speed u at an angle theta. Okay. In the situation, u resolved into two components, mu cos theta. Here momentum mu sin theta. Angle says cos, remaining will be sin. Here resultant out, components also out according to O. Here in the situation, same plane of projection, same speed. That means here also u. Here u, this angle is theta. Here resolve, angle says mu cos theta. This component is mu sin theta. Resultant always lies between the component, and again according to this point, resultant away, components also away. Okay, keep in mind these 2 points. Resultant always between the components, and resultant according to this point away, components also away. Okay. In the situation, what is the question? Change in momentum. First, I take along x-axis. Along x-axis, what is the change in momentum? Change in momentum along x-axis write as final momentum minus initial momentum. What is the final momentum? Along x-axis, this is the final momentum. What is here? Mu cos theta. Momentum is a vector, that unit vector write as I cap. Okay. Initial momentum also mu cos theta. This also along x-axis I cap. In the situation, both are cancelled. Simply, in the case of projectile, change in momentum along x-axis is 0. Next, Nana, I discuss along y-axis. Along y-axis, look here. Change in momentum along y-axis is final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum is here. What is the here? Mu sin theta acting downward, that is negative y-axis, minus initially mu sin theta along y-axis here, positive y-axis, that is j cap. Here neatly write as minus mu sin theta minus mu sin theta minus 2 mu sin theta. This is the formula for change in momentum along y-axis. Hold. Video, next video.